guys, welcome to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. I wanted to do things a little bit different today, so we're not going to be doing a cover song today. We're going to be talking about equipments. I've been getting a few questions about some of the equipments that I use for my videos on a weekly basis, so I'm going to share it with you guys. But before we jump into that, I wanted to say thank you so much to all my supporters. We are finally at 100 subs. Yay! Yeah, so I wanted to do a giveaway. So if you are interested in being a part of the giveaway, all you have to do is follow the instructions below and you have an opportunity to win something great. Yeah, so go check it out. Alright, now, so going forward with all the equipments that I use, I took notes. So I'm gonna be going through all the notes, all the stuff that I use. So first of all, I am using Canon 77D. Now I've had this camera for maybe about 2.5 years, and it is one of the best investments I've ever made. You know, so I will share everything in a box beside this conversation. You'll see. I purchased it on Amazon, and it comes with this bag, and it has a lot of stuff inside. Like, it comes with this extra light. And this is meant to clean it. I've never used this before. It comes with 2 batteries and 2 battery chargers, and as I said, I will leave everything in the description, and I'll show you everything on the side of the screen. Alright, so next up, also this camera, it comes with a stand, but I'm telling you, I've had 0 issues with this camera since I purchased it. It's good for a good photo shoot. I use it for my Instagram photos. So it's good for a good photo shoot, and it's so clean to use it to record. So I love it. So definitely recommend Canon 77D. So in going forward, the equipments that I use for actually recording the audio of my videos is Focusrite interface. I'm using Focusrite interface. The microphone is also from Focusrite, and the car, it comes with the card, it comes with the stand, it comes with the headphone, it comes with the headphones, and yeah, it's pretty good. The only issue that I have is because I'm currently using a MacBook, and the USB port, it didn't come with a USB thing to go to the interface, so I have to purchase that separately online. Yes, I have to purchase that online. But yeah, I've had 0 issues with that as well. So yes, I'm using Focusrite interface, and I'll also show you guys somewhere on the screen exactly what I'm talking about, and everything that comes with this bundle. I don't remember the exact cost, but I'll find a link and you'll see. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun. I purchased this this interface because I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel forever, but I've been like, oh, I've got work, oh, I have stuff to do. But now that we are in quarantine and all of this that's going on. I'm so happy that I bought this like a good time ago. So now I'm still able to do my music and yeah, I love that. So I'm happy that I made this purchase. So you guys can find this one on Amazon as well, and I will leave the link below. Now the rest of the story now about, it's not really about equipment. I'm just gonna share with you like the light behind me is just a lamp, as you can see. So not an equipment, but I'm just sharing with you like a small thing that can give your videos a little you know. So yes, so as I said guys, I will leave everything in the description box below. Lastly, I wanted to talk about the program that I'm currently using. When I just started off, I was introduced to Logic and Pro Tools, and I was just like, this is gonna be too much for me, you know. I don't think like I'm on that level to be using like a big producer program, you know. So I went ahead and I decided that I was going to start things off with the GarageBand and just eventually like learn about that program and then go into something else. And I'm happy that I did that, because I was told that I actually now feel like I know a lot about GarageBand, and I'm thinking now to switch over to Logic. So I was told that Logic is quite similar to GarageBand, but yes, GarageBand, this program is quite easy, quite simple to use. So that's the program that I am currently using. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and once again, I just want to thank you guys. I wanted to make it real short, you know, not too long. But I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video to the end. And don't forget guys, be a part of the giveaway. It's simple, you know, all you have to do is follow the instructions below, and yeah, you'll have a wonderful opportunity to win something great. So I think that's it for now. I really do hope that you guys are enjoying the covers. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a comment, if you have a request, feel free to leave it in the comment box below. Alright, whatever you do, have a good one. Bye.